So you go crazy about reversing faces like that, right? Okay, that's white on the inside, but I don't like that on the outside. And do that reverse again. But wait a minute, this is going on forever. This could go on forever and not fixing the problem. So what you actually need is some thickness and another face on these walls, on the sides, on the walls, on the sides. Well, you could always fool people by reverse faces on the top and the bottom because nobody see that from the inside, and that's done. But this one is a little troublemaker. So what I could do is I actually go in and use push pull. Actually, not a lot of tools that we need. Not very complicated, super magical tool that we need. I just need to, add a face to either of these sides of the same panel here and get some thickness. And once you have some thickness in, then you could have both sides appearing as a positive panel. So what I want to do is from the inside, because you don't want to stick out a design like that. That's, well, unless you like that, but this is not what I'm going after here. So I'm gonna go in, and it doesn't matter what color it has right now, but I guess positive is a little easier to work on. So I activate my push pull tool and press Control and pull it out. Type in 50. Doesn't have to be that thick, so 50 millimeters is just fine, or even less than that, but it's fine. And now I have a white positive wall from looking at inside, and I can now flip the outside wall, the panel, by RMB, right mouse button, reverse faces. Voila. So you have both sides appearing white, showing that they are both positive. So there is thickness to this, and the same deal could happen to the other side. So I'm gonna repeat the whole process, right? And reverse the face. That's the second step. For these, I'm just gonna simply reverse them because there's no need for thickness on the inside. You don't see it. Well, some people even go into really straight into drawing in lines. Start with this one to make faces appearing on the inside of the window frames. Okay, well, I suppose you could take on this challenge if you understood the principle. If not, it's not something major. It's not like something that I go crazy and go mad about not fixing this. But if you want to do a more professional job, well, that's the next step, the last step to go about. And then you will finish this window display or building this window space easily by just drawing in lines. And of course you want to flip the faces too, because it's not necessary that we show the negative faces. We always prefer the positive faces, no matter what angle you're looking at the object or the model. Now the last step, you don't want to forget about these back faces. So once I was done with all the window frames, you go to the back of the model and finish it off. Just keep flipping these faces. I was kind of lazy to select all, but you could always do it with select all. And same thing happened to the back side, the backdrop. So same problem. We use the same solution. You use the push pull tool, press Control key, and try to pull. Or did I select the right face? Yes. Try to pull that in or push that into the inside and type 50. And now it has a 50 millimeter thickness. And then you have to flip either side, either one of these sides to get to a complete positive faces of window display here.